there are some difficult words. Maupassant. Maupassant is a French author, French short story writer. But I can recollect Maupassant. 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 Okay. Similarly, restaurant. 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 Similarly, we'll have to remember psychology, diarrhea, many other difficult words. You will have to note them down or note down in your exercise book. There is no other method. The more you write, the more you can recollect. The more you read, the more you learn.